Because your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your reality. One of the main reasons people remain poor is not their low income, but rather their poor mindset. But how can you know if your brain or mindset is preventing you from succeeding? I will show you how and why the mindset is the real thing that keeps people poor. So make sure you watch it all the way through to learn the ins and outs and get to a place where you want to be. Without any further ado, let's get started. Mindset number 1. You think money is the root of evil. Even though we live in a world that shows us every day how much good money can do, most people still believe that money is the root of all evil. If you think this way, do you think it's possible to work hard to get rich? That's not likely at all. Even though money is the root of all evil comes from the Bible and people of all religions and cultures can understand what it means. But the right verse is, "For the love of money is the root of all evil." This means that people who love money too much become greedy. People who are greedy ignore their morals and do questionable things to get rich. So, if you want to get ahead financially, you need to change the way you think about money and start seeing it as an important tool you need. If you see it in a bad light, you won't want to work hard for it. Mindset number 2. You blame others for your problems. If you ask some people why they are poor, they will say it's because of the government, or the economy, or their parents who didn't leave them any money, and so on. They will blame everyone else except themselves. Even though some of these things may have played a role in what happened, it is still important to know what role they played. We all make mistakes. But it would be smarter to figure out why we failed. If you always blame other people for your financial problems, you will never be able to learn from your mistakes or fix the problems that caused them. This is because if you can't admit when you did something wrong, you miss out on a chance to learn how to make money and manage it, which means you lose potential sources of income. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're doomed to keep doing it. Putting the blame on other people might give you a short-term place to put your anger. But it doesn't give you more control over your money. So instead, here's what you can do. Look forward to figure out how to solve your problems. Don't blame the government for your problems or the wealthy for taking what is rightfully yours. Instead, accept your situation and work to make it better. Mindset number 3. You focus on one stream of income. We've always been told to get a job that pays well and pays all the bills. But that theory is wrong in 2 major ways. The first is that many people can't pay their bills with just one job. In the past few years, many studies have shown that some people need to work a second or even a third job to make ends meet. Second, having only one way to make money is like sitting on one-legged stool. Your problem is that you need that money. And if it suddenly stops, for whatever reason, you will be in trouble until you find another way to make money before your savings run out. Most Americans don't have enough money saved to cover all of their bills in case of a financial crisis. So, if you want to be financially independent and have a stress-free life, you need to have more than one source of income. Mindset number 4. You are afraid to invest in yourself. Putting money into yourself is the best thing you can do. Even though this is important advice, not many people know it or follow it. Investing can be hard, but putting money into yourself can be one of the easiest, least expensive, and most rewarding things you can do. Putting time, money, and effort into making your life better now and in the future is what it means to invest in yourself. Instead of focusing on things that won't make you richer in the long run, look for ways to learn more and make your life better. When you work on getting better and reaching your goals, your finances, career, health, and happiness will all improve. You will also learn things and get skills that will help you waste less time on useless things and spend more time on things that make you happy. Even though you might not see immediate results, investing in yourself can have a big impact on your life in the long run. Here's what I think. Look at what you think about money if you want to have a lot of money. Even though financial markets and investment strategies are important, The way you think about money could limit how much you can earn. Mindset has a big effect on how we think about or use money. The abundance mindset doesn't mean spending too much or mismanaging assets. It means being good with money. When it comes to personal finances and building wealth, thinking that there isn't enough money can lead to mediocrity. But you can always change your money habits and look forward to a brighter future. And that's all there is to the video. Thank you for staying until now. And we'd like that you share your experience with one of these mindsets, like if you notice them in some people or if you believe them to be true. Share your thoughts in the comments.